I might have messed up this time. Lord have mercy. What it do, kings and queens? It's your boy, the UP King, the people's champ, and we back with another video. And yeah, you see it. I done bought another project. I don't know about this one. I might have messed up with this one. Let's check it out. So this is my 95 Chevy Silverado 1500 short bed StepSide in all its glory. And listen, there's not much glory left, looking like. It's early morning. Wanted to get this done so I can show you guys and gals what we actually working with on the new project. And it's rough. She is rough. Or let's say he is rough. We got to start naming these projects. I think we're going to start doing that. So let's start with the front. So we got our good Mad Max guard in the front of the truck, which we probably will remove unless we need it at a later date, but at least we'll have it and we can put it back on, maybe for the winter. Maybe we'll have some road rage and we gotta push some people out the way. Hopefully we don't, but we got the hood, and it looks like the hood has been painted before. As you can see, the clear peeling on it and cracked in the hood. Now if that was metal, that wouldn't be cracking like that. So we definitely got some fiberglass or some body filler in there. So somebody done some work to this before. As you can see, it's been sitting up under some trees or something. Windshield is cracked. And we got the rusty fender that probably could be fixed, but we probably just get a replacement. Coming down again, we got stuff growing out the fender. I mean, come on, man. We got to do better. We definitely gonna have to replace this one. I don't want to try to fix all of that. Check out the other side. It's got some peeling on this fender as well. Not too bad. Couple dents and dings. Little rust. Some more rust there. And a little bit building up. This fender ain't too bad. We probably could save it, but we'll see in the long run. Door's actually not too bad. Got some rust forming down at the bottom. Probably on the inside too. And this door is sagging, so we gotta figure out what needs to be adjusted so we can get that line back up. And of course, those cab corners gone, and even more, something growing up out of it. So we'll have to get on that. Coming to this side of the bed. Oh, before we leave the cab, look at that. So the previous owner thought he couldn't get into the truck for whatever reason, because this door handle wasn't working for him at one point in time. So his idea was to bust out the back glass to get back in it. So that's what he did. So we're gonna have to replace that along with the brake light at the top. Now to the bed. Got this fiberglass bed. which the top portion of it is metal and is beat up and rusted out. Beat up and rusted out. Also, a portion of it is missing. And again, more growing out of it. The rear bumper has seen better days. Oh yeah, and I got this with no tailgate. As you can see, more rust. Good dent right there in the floor of the bed. Listen, at any given point in time in this video, you feel like typing that I messed up buying this one, go ahead and type it, because I'm feeling kind of the same way right now. More rust. This side of the bed actually isn't that bad. Not too bad, but it still needs work. This door isn't off too bad. Kind of lined up pretty good. But again, we got more rust. Rockers on both sides, rusted out. Of course, this cab corner, rusted out. Looking at the frame, it's a lot of dirt. A lot of rust on the top forming up. Previous owner, which is a co-worker of mine, had it and he just used it on his land to do odds and end work, and then he was selling his house, or actually sold it. So once he sold it, he started selling everything because he didn't need everything for the land no more. He got a little less acreage to work best for him, so he didn't need the truck. So talked to him and I got the truck from him. Let's check out this inside. Door panel is off of it right now. There's the door handle, which was broke. Somehow he broke it. Seat's starting to rust out. Dash isn't too bad. Needs to be cleaned up. Definitely needs a good cleaning in here. Door pad for the door. That door pad isn't too bad, but we need to clean it up. Oh yeah, and this one is 4x4 Z71. So I'm in Michigan, so when you're in Michigan in them winters, you need that 4x4. The winters be brutal. So gonna have to replace that third glass. But seat's not too bad. Floor's not too bad. We might be able to clean it up. We might get the interior redone. Who knows? Jump in the comments and tell me what you think we should do with this one. Now, I kind of like the idea of dropping it low. Even though it's a four-wheel drive, dropping it low. Putting some nice wheels and tires on it. Fixing it up. Look like the doors aren't super bad as far as rust. Gotta kind of slam that door, but again, we need to adjust it. Yeah, Z71 off-road. I don't know what's up with the fireman. I don't know, man. What y'all think about that color combination? That yellow and black. Is that an idea? Should we make something like that happen? I don't even know why the fireman is there. But that really happened. So again, rocker's gone. Gonna have to replace those. But door's not too bad. We probably can fix majority of that and be good to go. So all in all, I don't think it's too bad. So we're gonna definitely get this thing a clean up and fix her up and see what we can make this thing look like. All right, so let's see what we're working with up under the hood. Now listen, the owner told me this is not the original motor that was in it. So I don't know the mileage. Could be a 5.7, 350. That could be what it is. I don't know. But it seems to run good. So that's all that I need it for right now. And if you think we need to LS swap this one, let me know in them comments, because that might be possible. Now, one thing I know for sure, it needs brake lines. So we're gonna work on getting that done. But all in all, this thing runs pretty good. Sounds pretty good once it warms up. Let's give it a start. I mean, it ain't a show truck, at least not yet. Don't sound the best, at least not yet. Sound like it's a leak, maybe a tick, who knows? But all of that can be fixed. And that's what we gonna do. We gonna get this thing together. All right, kings and queens, so I just wanted to give you a quick introduction of the 95 Silverado truck. We're gonna have to name it and figure out what we're gonna call this project, but yet it's still another project. We're gonna get on this one as well. We got way too many projects. And again, if you think we need to just make a whole nother channel for the projects, the personal projects, let me know in the comments. Tell me what you think. If you would like to see a personal project channel here on YouTube, let me know and we will make that happen, because I think that might be the route we need to take. But yeah, jump in the comments, tell me what you think of the new project. Is it a yay or nay? Am I losing my mind on this one because I bought it? I mean, I got it for cheap, and I think, you know, it got potential. Sometimes having that vision, man, I have you making bad decisions. But listen, man, it's your boy, the UP King, the People's Champ, and we out. Everything to be an underground king. I sacrifice everything.